Welcome, welcome. I lied. We are doing game dev today instead of indie gaming. There is a developer who wants to check out their gameplay next week too. I really want to push the project so I can open at least a Discord-wide playtest version. So we are deving today as well. Hello, Curbs. How you doing? Hope Wednesday is treating you nicely. Serenity turned off. Should not be in theory. Once you have the role, you should be able to manage your nickname. The default role cannot. The only thing the default role who joins can do is click on that little I agree button. Otherwise, I think you should be able to because it is enabled for the role. If not, I will have to look around, but that's some Discord weird thing then. Yay, Discord! Yay, Discord! Not sure yet how stupidly active I will be there. At the moment, the spark that ignited the creation of it is basically the need to gather feedback, and it is just easier to do on a Discord server instead of like hunting it on Blue Sky and Mastodon and Reddit and other Discord servers. If someone cares, they can join in and just shit their opinion on me in the Discord. Hopefully I have made one. It might be janky because I literally threw it together yesterday in like 2 hours. The aim of it will be to build a little game dev / gaming community. I still have a few things I want to set up, but the main goal at the moment is for the playtest. Once you open the playtest, there will be a forum post on it. And I think that is the best place to basically gather feedback for a game. Because if I had to hunt it down from 5 sites, I'm gonna go mad. Which is probably gonna happen, but what can I do? One thing I did between... Oh, I cannot cast spells with you. Where is the mage? I got Frost. The one thing I did between last stream is now, in theory, there is a wipeout screen. You can actually die. And if I press the X, it should get you back to the menu and you can form a new party. Today's goal, I have it written down in VS Code. This is the main goal, HP and damage values. At the moment, every entity, not every, most of the players have like just dummy data fed into them. That is what we want to fix today. Like actually create some kind of data structure that holds the default values for everyone. So it is not the most interesting thing that is gonna happen today, but this is something we will need to do. But yeah, I will have to look into the... Found an oopsie? What oopsie did you found? Can see the welcome channel. Ooh. Which is weird because in theory everyone should be able to view it. Oh, what? Do I need to? So, hold on. I might need to do this for now. For you. In theory now you should be able to see, but we're gonna fix stuff later. Best gift. The channel is there, but the history isn't. Oh, the history is not there. Okay, hold on. That's, I think, is a quick fix. Because I think that's only... what is it? Is it view history? Is it? What is view history? Read message history. Yes, that is turned off. Indeed. There you go. Discord. Fuck off, odds. I don't need you. Nice fix. Thanks. Cool, cool, cool. Feel free to shout at me. Getting close to the normal. Yes. If everything goes well this weekend, I can publish a link to it. If everything goes well. How are we on tokens, by the way? I haven't checked it in a while. 6.3k. Compressed? 81. Okay, we are fine. We are fine. Oh, plenty of space. Yeah. You should not be able to. Plop, 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 plop. Like, this is why you need more than one person to check things. Plop, 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 plop. Yeah, no worries, no worries. I saw it. I don't think y'all can do anything crazy in theory. And I also trust that you're not doing anything crazy, so... where are we? Basically, what we want to do is go to here. And now, instead of everyone being Bob plus ID, having 8 HP, we want something different. So, how in the heckity heck do I want to do this? I could lob this whole thing into one big string. That's the most token efficient way, right? Just yeet it into an absolutely massive string. I'll... Bloop. Hold on, where are my cards? I need the info. Oops, that's the dice. The custom dice. And when it's gone. There we go. Yeah, I can share it somewhere, but I've just blank dice customized for draft crawl with custom icons. Where is PICO-8? There it is. I just want to have this. Hold on, a little. What is it called? Putting things in place. I just want to order the classes as such. They are here. This is a peon. Shinobi. Swordsman. Yeah, there we go. Swordsman, monk, wizard, right? Yep. Monk, wizard, hunter. The heck is cleric? If anyone wondering later, like Wood Watchers or such, I have the game this is based on in paper. And I'm shuffling through all the cards here. In like actual paper in my desk. I have the alchemist here. Necro. I guess not. Okay. Ba-ba-bum. So it was... Who was the last one? Ranger. I need priest, which we will probably rework, to be honest. Necro. Rogue. Shinobi. Archaeologist. Barbarian. Alchemist. And every other one doesn't exist in the game. The druid technically does, because Louis, or like the, hold on, the alchemist. No, the alchemist does. The archaeologist and the barbarian and the necro does not in full theory. Jean, welcome in, welcome in. How you doing? Hope your Wednesday is okay. Every other character is a custom of ours, or a coincidence that Louis just released an expansion candidate, and we have a few overlapping things, because why the heck would you not want a necromancer, right? Ad break starts in 6 seconds. Okay, that's lovely. Necromancer are must. Yeah. And that's like one of the main RPG things is necromancers. And like, you're dungeon crawling. Where do you crawl if not into a lich's dungeon, basically? At block care time. I'm still thinking on how it would be best to load all this info. Are the ads running? Because on chat, been playing one in Diablo 2 since I was like 10. I need to play Diablo 2 at some point. It gets so much praise. I was a Torchlight guy. I was the spin-off guy. I played Torchlight 1 and 2. I haven't played the new one, but from what I've read, it was a mess. I need an ad break command at some point, but that is for another day. Ooh, rip ad. Yeah. Also, why is the raid emote not working at the end of the Discord message? Do I have a typo in it? No, I do not. What the heckity heck? Do I need a space? No, it just doesn't plop in the message. That's weird. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, whatever. We can look into that later. That is, hold on, I need a note. We are noting up already. I need my notes. Fix Discord bot message. Speaking of Discord bots, I want to make one at some point, like a idle RPG thingy. But that is later down the line. So, can I... Yeah, this works as a string for some reason. So, we want name, so... I use red as a baseline and just write Mudus. I don't know what that means, but sounds funny. Sounds fun. I like your... Oh, how's that? I like your funny verse magic now. Or how that saying goes. Swordsman. Class ID we do not need to store. We can do that from the ID that we are passing. HP we need to pass. It's a Python-based bot framework. Oh, well, that is handy for sure. So HP is 22. Damage dice is 1 for everyone. The warrior has +1 damage. But this is all. This needs to be lowercase because otherwise PICO-8 will yell at me. Right, I need a name, an HP which is assigned to max HP, the damage dice which is technically 1 for everyone, but if I ever want to create a class that can hit for 2d6 damage, which is absolutely mental by the way in a game like this, we can have the playability here. And the damage modifier, because the damage rolls are basically roll the die and modified by a set amount. State is first section. Armor. We do not have armor yet. That is in for future proofing. So I guess this is it. So if we apply some kind of ASCII character, it doesn't matter what. I just like to use the pipe for this. We can first split along the pipe character, and then we can split along the comma. Are you parsing out the string data? Yeah. I just want to spare the commas out from it, because that would be not a lot of tokens, but substantial amount. Yeah, only for the token limit, otherwise I would not do this. Otherwise this is just stupid, but it is PICO-8. Like technically I don't think I need it. This is like what, 1... This is like 4 characters, like 4 commas, 5 for starting the object, 6 for the end of the line. So it would be like what, 16 times 6. So it is not a huge amount of code that I spare with this, but it is code I don't have to spare later if I come back to this, and I do indeed plan on coming back to this. PICO-8 is funny. Yeah. I want to try out beat bakes. I can fetch a link. It is I think a former PICO-8 dev. I think Beetroot made some PICO-8 games. But after that they were like, I don't like the token system and I like making stuff, so they made a TypeScript based fantasy console basically. With like technically no limits, if I remember correctly. So it's basically, I would say it is more akin of Löwe. There is also WOSM4. Oh yeah, I guess, yeah. There are a lot of stuff. I want to check out WOSM4 at some point, but not sure when. It sounds funny because it is not funny, but like fun. And I'm not sure why I'm saying funny all the time. But like, it sounds cool. There is also someone making, I think JJ on Blue Sky is making a purely ASCII based fantasy console, which is like, oh, write a game in assembly. You know, sometimes that crosses my mind. Then I remember how ASCII looks, and I'm not ASCII, assembly looks, and I'm like, nope. I don't like the name Hunter. I like the Ranger much better, to be honest. I'm gonna call it Ranger. ASCII sounds fun. Yeah, I'm really interested in it because I do have a few ASCII games, but they are not fully ASCII games. They just use ASCII characters for like the graphics, so it doesn't have sprites. Every quote-unquote sprite is combination of ASCII characters. Um. Also, I should probably. Oh, how do I handle the description for the characters, like the abilities? I probably need to store that here as well, right? So I'm not sure how this feels played, so we'll have to check that out. I assume it is gonna split into a string, and then maybe this is also gonna split into a string, so we will see. I might be trolling with having the names with the data. Like, it was a while since I used a split like this. Priest 2010. Yeah, this is the quote-unquote boring part. Necromancer might not even fit on the screen as a word, to be honest, because we are using the lower resolution, so we are 64 by 64, not even like the basic 128 of PICO-8. Row. It's 20. They 1 dice with 2 modifier. Someone asked me today on Blue Sky if the game has a ninja, and I was like, technically ninja no, we have a shinobi and we have a rogue, so the shinobi is cool, by the way. Do you guys want some spoilers on what it does? Because its ability is really neat. I like it. 1 dice with 1 modifier. Archaeologist. 18. 1-1. Wait, the shinobi and the archaeologist also have damage modifiers. I forgot how I even wrote archaeologist back then. Barbarian. 20 HP, 1 damage with 2 modifier. Chemist. 18 HP. 1-1. And now we are free to roam because every other character is non-existent. So the next one is the cultist. The cultist is HP based in its skills, but those skills are quite handy because you can summon basically at every turn, but you sacrifice your HP for it. Yeah, blood magic. So I'm tempted to give it like a lower category HP, which is the 18, it looks like. So the cost is, I think, 3 times the level of the summon, and there are like 3 levels of summons. So with 18 you can basically summon the biggest one once, and like a second one again without healing. Let's go with that for now. I'm not gonna give you damage modifier. We will see how that turns out. That is why the playtest is gonna be executed, because I'm just pulling numbers out of my ass. Who's the next one? Oh, it's the druid. I'm gonna steal this for Louis because he has a druid. I just basically implemented the druid. What is his idea for the druid? 20 HP and +1, I guess. Let's go. Who's the next one? Inspired by you basing this off draft score, I can stop thinking about making board game inspired game as well now. They are fun. They are so much fun. Oh my god. I haven't realized it till I started making draft crawl. That is super fun. I wanted to make Onitama at some point, but I'm too dumb to make. I'm not too dumb, I'm just lazy to figure out how to fit in alpha beta pruning into PICO-8. With like the lower limits. Plague Doctor. You're gonna have a lower HP as well because you're also summoning based class. And oh, we don't have a name for this fella. We need some kind of naming for this fella. That's a Fletch. I mean, it is, but I cannot just type Fletch for the class name. Like, I would love to name it Arlo, but I probably need to ask Fletch first. Hey Fletch, if you're lurking, I'm sure if you're here. Is it okay if we name him Arlo? For now, let's just... Doctor. First one that comes to my mind. Let's go with that. This is a melee-based character who has some AoE. I guess you can have 20, but no damage modifier. Because your whole ability is an AoE spell, basically. It's a weird AoE spell, but it is an AoE spell. So now if I do local split data equals split where's my pipe? Oh, I typoed the quotation. So now the question is, how does this work? For not sure if I'm gonna even see the types. Vintage data and unfinished string. So I cannot do a string like this. That's okay. There is a way to do multi-strings. I just forgot. And I don't care to look it up. We basically have every data that we want now. This could have been faster if I would just multi-cursor the pipe, but whatever. We are here and we are committed. There we go. Stop it because it will spam the state. Oh, hold on. Retake. I was debugging and I have a lot of state prints. Because it was surprisingly not easy with my current system to let the whole engine go you back to the menu without like new states and such. So what is in here? Is there like a typo of PICO-8? Do we have? Do we have type? We do have type. Ba-bum. I would assume for now this is a string. I need to start it. It is a string, cool. And what happens if I split this? So local less data. I'm not sure about this. What is this gonna do? Because I know you can split plain numbers without giving this. But I'm not sure if PICO-8 is smart enough to know that, hey, this is a string. It is TypeScript, not yours. It is actually a huge difference between the two. Not a huge one, but enough so that I like the other, like one and not the other. Oh, see data. I basically just want to have the same type. I just know if this can differentiate between the numbers and the strings. I do see different stuff. It can! Heck yeah! Okay. So technically we don't need this split, because we can include that here. Inferring the types. Yeah, that's what I wanted to figure out, because I was not sure, to be honest. That's that I'm stupid, because I'm pretty sure I'm using this down below when I'm putting together the old version of the GUI window. Yeah, it makes my job way easier. So for class is split the char data based around the class ID. And now in theory all we need to do is split data for class 1. You are 2. You are coming there up as well. Split 2. Damage dice is 3. And the damage modifier is 4. Then we can probably include. I'm speaking like a fucking alchemist at the moment. Include the class descriptions here as well. I guess we could try do that. So swordsman takes 1 less damage. Monk can attack up to 3 enemies. Starts with 3 spells. This is spoilers, by the way, but if you do not care, feel free to stay. This is slight spoilers on every skills. First attack, turn +3, a turn per from +3 damage. I don't know what we have the heal spell. Heals for X round. One spare. How's it called? Combat, I think. How Louis phrased it back then. I think it's, yeah, one spare combat. Necro is just plain summoning, I guess, if I remember correctly. One kill. Roll. 1d6. 4 or higher. I guess you're not rolling, so one kill. Chance to summon skeleton. Rogue. Oh, you're a longer one. You deal like more damage to stuff. This is the shinobi. Double damage against Bob and Bobo. Chance to how is it called? Probably Louis has this. Chance to eliminate target. Yeah, the shinobi is cool. You basically have a, I'm not sure how I coded it yet. On the paper it is like 4 or higher. So when you attack something that is not a boss, you roll a dice, and if you roll 4 or higher, the target just dies. You basically just vanish them. Just go Omai Shinderu and they can do nothing about that. Archaeologist. One spare command. You may pick up a treasure. Barbarian. One kill. Attack again. Alchemist. Throw potions. Or what is the damage? It's like 1d6 plus 10? Yeah, d6 plus 10. Cultist. Summon. Demons. Using your blood. Druid. Stars, wait. One spell. I cannot type. Plague Doctor. Fuck me. The Plague Doctor is a long one. Roll 1d6. Deal that much to everyone. Every other unit. Summon that any rats. We need to figure out this scrolling text, by the way, in the menu. Oh, and Doctor. Oh, sweet. Earthquake. You know what? I guess let's be a bit more vague. Can one spare combat. Start the plague, I guess. What's a doctor? It is a doctor. And an apple a day keeps him away, and you really want to keep him away because, oh boy, he buff. He come, he quack, he conquer. There is the doctor. The doctor is coming and gonna mess you up. Desk equals. I guess I would want to move this up so it is together with all the other splitted data. Description. Split data 5. I was saying now that this is not a number. Now it is a number. Oh wait, did I include a comma in one of these? Ah. Okay, no comma there. Oh. Let's figure out what is the problem. Print age. Damage. Time. Oh. For some reason now it is not saying that this is a number. Type. Yeah. Not type print age. Looks like. We are failing even before. What? 2 or 2. I guess it infers the type of the first one. It notices that you're adding to a number, because most expressions are read from left to right in most languages. It is like, hey, I'm adding to 1 something. I would guess the other direction would be 11, but you can check that. I'm not sure how that works. What is the ID that I'm calling this with? Am I calling with this on zero-based indexing? I'm calling it one. What I'm meaning this. Oh, that's also two. Okay. Cool. Yeah. I must have something. Oh wait, am I missing one member? What? Oh, I'm missing a one here. Fuck me. I overwrote it probably because HP, damage dice, modifier. Looks like everything is set correctly. 32 HP. Yeah, it's not that long. Not that long and not even complicated. So why wouldn't I? Cool. Now we have player data. I think for the enemies I already have the OG game-based values. The grunt is 311. Where is it? There's a third one. There's like 3 tiers of enemies. And the brute is... Oh no! Oh, ho. Okay, we have some damage issues here. So the goblin is 11 HP. And the ogre is 14 and... Oh, my ogre works differently? That's cool. It's 1d6 plus 2. Oh, it's even more deadly than... I guess no, this... For now, let's do it like how it is. In the base game, it just deals a static 6. Now what I don't know is what will happen if I roll a dice with 0. I guess probably nothing then. Even better if number then return. Oh. There we go. Even faster. Not that it matters, but why did it hit for 1? Oh, I'm the swordsman. That's why it hits for 1. Oh yeah, the necro is not gonna fit onto the screen. I don't think so. Hold on. think you have the longest name in the game. Oh, barely. Hold on, archaeologist might be longer now that I think about it, and the plague doctor. Archaeologist already doesn't really fit, so then the doctor will not fit. Yeah. Solution 1. I come up with better names. Solution 2, I somehow figure out if the name would be long enough that it doesn't fit on the screen, or like the text window. Whatever. Better yet, I somehow need to figure out how to have a scrolling print inside my character selection menu. EGB, welcome in, how you doing? Hope that you're doing well. I'm doing okay. Work was exhausting today, but but finally I'm on my own little hobby project, so it's so much better, but work was something today. Jesus Christ. I've done nothing at work today, so much yapping on meetings. I mean, mostly same, but the yapping was just the thing, whatever they did. One of my coworkers argued for 2 hours or something, just to say in the end, but I agree with your first opinion, and I'm like, then why the fuck did you need to argue for 2 hours? Jesus Christ. But yeah. That tilted me so hard in the morning and made the base for the day. How am I gonna do a scrolling text? Game of some project on minus one was gonna be looking. No, there is no worries. Workers are welcome. They are the backbone of everything. Okay, project was nice. Some kind of art, right? I think you mentioned it somewhere that they're working on some kind of art piece. Technically, we could try using clip, but I never used clip, so I don't know how it works. It says the new clipping rectangle. Migrating linking to a new server. How exciting! Well, next time I'm gonna be doing indie games, I'm probably gonna check out Tileward. Just an FYI. Does Nerdy have something on clip? Where's the browser? You can see what I'm yapping about here. Nerdy, help me. PICO-8 slow editor, debug controls, commands. Loops. Yep. He was also upset with how fandom looks and just said that he's gonna make his own wiki with Husky and I don't know what. Screen clip. Use to restrict the region on the screen for anything being drawn. After setting the clipping region. The fuck that means? I guess that's where you can only... There is the only reason where you can draw. Yeah. Yeah, Chrisman also has one, but I think that's the non HTTPS one that everyone is like handling with care. Didn't he the one who made the PICO-8 wiki? This one? Or am I... No, this is not the one, but... This could be the one. I don't know. There's like this and there is one more somewhere if I remember correctly. Everyone is just upset with wiki. I mainly use it for the ASCII characters and the color IDs. Because it is just easier to copy from there. Otherwise I'm using Mon or Nerdy or somewhere else. So let's see. It says XY width height. So it is not 2 and 1. Why would we be consistent with our rect fields, right? Particles. Character selection. Where do I even have space for this? I guess there on the bottom. I mean, first things first. Oh no, I don't have this data available here. Shit. Because in the menu I'm not adding characters, I'm adding IDs for the classes. So I guess I'm moving you to... I can move you to the top, it doesn't really matter. This should... Oh. This should do nothing. So now... Here... What we can do is print... I forget already what it is called. Clear chart data. It is... It is player choices. Player choices selector. Is a mouthful. Desk. Desk. 32 minus land desk. -2. I have no idea what the Y level is, so let's go with 50. Oh, interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, this is draw game. Of course, there is nothing happening in the menu if I'm drawing in the game. Why is this so long? There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I need to split this. And I'm not sure if I can do that here, so desk data. We have to check if that would work, but desk data. What was it? If, right? Yep. So sadly, this is too high. That is a problem. How can you scroll these easily? That's a good question. Let's see. This is some hypertext library. This is not exactly what we want. This is the clipping tutorial. That is not exactly what I want. I know, but this is probably not gonna be a clip command because I need to actually move the text. Like the easy solution would be to have some kind of counter here that goes based around the length. So something like description offset, and then in the menu I did Menu, you can fetch the same data. Hold on. You fetch this. Actually, this. And you go. How do you do this? Not 0 1. It is 0 1, so hold on. It's probably just better to menu description offset. Menu this. Do this. And when you press the button, you're gonna say menu description text. Oops. Equals this. You can store the data, so you don't need to calculate every time. And menu description offset equals 0. You can do this on the other button. And now what you can do is menu description offset minus equals, I guess not minus, it is a plus. Equals, I guess it is plus equals 1. Plus equals 1. If it is ever if any description offset is ever greater than the length of this, then we are setting it back to 0. This should probably not fully this, but this minus something, but we will figure that out later. And now in draw menu, what we can do is print menu description text 32 minus and description offset. And I messed up something. Oh, it is not set up when you start. Oh. Oh, because I'm having it for the button. Also, it was quite fast. Look. Function fetch menu, not fetch. Let's do it nicely. Get menu description and this is not get. This is a set because I'm not returning anything. I'm just setting a value. Set menu description. Set menu description. And now we search for init. Set menu description. Whee! And now we have a scrolling text. Like, this is the easy solution. Also, this is stupidly fast. So we are slowing this down. Wait, how you do this? You haven't paid attention for the last 2 minutes. Basically, what I'm doing is I have two variables for the text and an offset. You technically don't need this, but it just makes it easier. So I have an offset value, which is basically increased, and when it reaches the length of the text, it is reset. And I'm printing the text with the offset from the middle. Yeah, definitely see the code. Oh, you are in ad jail. Oh no, you're not in ad jail. It says ad stats. Oh, that's why you're saying it. So I have an offset number, which basically offsets the print. I have the value of the text, but you don't need this technically. Just use it so I don't have to count all the time. I'm fetching the appropriate data I need, and in the update I'm just incrementing this until it exceeds the length of the text, and then I'm resetting it, and I'm just printing it with this offset. So this is the easy solution, but I would like to wrap it basically around itself, but I'm too lazy to write and figure out a wrapping code. Cool. And you don't even need this. So actually, slow this down. Where is my PICO-8? Oh, that is jury. Jesus Christ. Would it be better with like a 2 increment? No, would it be better with a 4? Okay. That is fast. I had this weird stuttering. I think this is because of the cobblestoning technology. It's like because you cannot really do it. I would also love this to have an outline, because technically everything has outline in the game. Almost everything. Outline. One. Oh, this needs to change on up and down as well. Fuck me. Set menu description. I'm lazy. This can be done better. Just don't look at this. Oh, sweet earthquake. Once per combat. Or the plague. We can plop it in the game dev. I think there is a game dev chat. Whatever I named it. I do feel like one is fast, but every other I don't really like. Like, this is too fast to read. Like, to me, it is too fast to read. Like someone who is struggling with the pixel art font already, this is like 3 scrolls to understand. Problem is this is not gonna be better with any other way. It is not the basic font. I don't know if I have even the uppercase stuff. I mean, this is the uppercase, but the other one is the puny, but I don't think that helps much. I surely haven't drawn, by the way. I'm pretty sure I haven't. No, the other way. X1 plus. Yeah, this is a custom font. This is my font. Yeah, I don't have uni. It is not the default one. The default one is this one. Mine is slightly tuned. Not much, but it has some difference, if I remember correctly. Like it is made for, I think, this game originally, then I used it in Nightcrawl, if I remember correctly as well. Oh yeah, we are missing draw menu. I'm not printing like the 222 and the 220, right? Those I don't need. Here, 220. I guess 222 I need. 220, you shouldn't be here. You should be at 248. Um, 63 minus 5, 80, 58. Can you go on lower? You can. Neat. Print. Add is like 6. 59. 1, but it is a print outline. It is 7 and 1. Yeah, this is more than 6. 8. Oh, I guess I don't count the outline to it, so that is the difference I'm not seeing. Add. And now we are doing SPR. Two 21, 221. I don't even know where do I draw you, so first. Len equals len start, and this is 64 minus len start. Not 48. Oh no, this goes to the very end, so it is 63. 62 because I need one for the outline. So you go to start len minus, how much space do you need? 8. Yeah, so minus 8. 59. Print outline. Start. Start len. 9, 7 on. I probably didn't name it start, right? What is in the mockup? Or is it start? Where is the mockup? It is called enter. Okay. So this is actually I guess I can put cursor this on. Enter. And this is different because the sprite is in the corner. This is actually what? 55? And this is 55 minus. Do I need to divide this? My brain? I do need to do it, okay. This is not 55, this can go like 8. So, problem now. I don't like how it is cut down. So we will move all this up by 1. So we are moving to 51. We're moving to 51. 58. 58. 58. And now I need to move the two like the arrow indications. I guess you could also highlight the name of the class somewhere, but that is starting to get to be too much info on the screen. So how are the sprites? 222, 223. So 222 can move to here, but I guess -4. And you can be +4. Oh, hold on. You're not even. Oh, you are flipped. Okay, hold on. This is the cursor. Pointer. 6. Wait, where is the other one? 2 to 3. Oh, here. The 6. I'm not sure. Oh, you are the controls. Or 6. And you know, you don't need any modification because you are the pointer. No? Am I willing to go to +8, -8? It's like they are quite heavily on the sides. Also the campfire needs it's outline. Is it coming from the map? All the campfire is coming from the map. Ech. What else? What else? What else? Oh, we don't have the logo even in the game. Not even the title. So hold hold on. Local title equals Crypt. I don't even know if TV is gonna be enough for this. Print outline. This might need way more enhancement. So you're gonna be tall and wide. And you're gonna say title 32 minus land title divided by 2. I don't even know if I can do black outline. Not sure if my code is made like that. The other way? What? Yeah, it doesn't, sadly. Oh wait, I'm stupid. 10 7 0. Oh, it does outline, but this is such a meager title. Like, look at this puny little title compared to that one. For the future, we might need to think about having this title printed somewhere on the map and then copy it to sprite memory and SSPR it out. I don't think there is a bigger PICO-8 manual. I don't think you can words like enhance it even to be bigger. ASCII It is called control codes, right? Also, I'm yet again in the browser, that's why you cannot see anything. Loop. Loop. Oh, no, 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 no. Why this black? Zap. Oh my god. Okay, nothing is better. Control codes. I have actually black in a dark view. Holy. That is the worst solution. Can have this. Doesn't link. Appendix. Hey. Because I guess you cannot do tall wide, right? Right? But surely this doesn't work. You cannot just double stack it. Yeah. Double stacking it doesn't work. But also, we are getting close on time. Let's see, anyone? Go from here? No. Well then. We have this cool little menu. Hold on, let me switch to here. We have character abilities described already. We can fetch even a little GIF from this. And we actually have baked in player data. So now, technically, playtest could begin today, but it is not gonna begin today. I'm gonna probably delay it to like the weekend and like try and find like stupid bugs that I did not think of. I'm pretty sure there is one that I haven't figured out yet. But if nothing else, I will probably like Blue Sky and such. And now we have a Discord as well. So it will be, what is the word, announced there also if we're gonna have a playtest thing. There is no video even today, so no one is up. No one is up. One is up, but she's playing Baldur's Gate. I think that's quiet, eh? Or change after us. So yeah, I will thank you everyone who tuned in to this kind of lower energy, but much as important, or like way more important stream. And I will see you next time on Saturday, probably. Might even do a Friday stream. We will see about that. I'm not promising anything. Friday is always like a limbo in hell. But yeah, thank you for tuning in and see you next time. Bye bye.